Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing, Maths of Playgroup. Then today we will do some fun counting activities. Dear students, open the page number 25 of your book. Count and take the box having 7 objects. Activity number 1 में देखिए हमने क्या करना है. We have 3 boxes. हमारे पास 3 boxes हैं. इनमें कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए गए हैं. लेट्स काउंट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन ईच बॉक्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव these are red button in first box. So let's count with me together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will put a tick, student? No, because buttons are 8. These are 8 buttons. Second one is, these are baskets. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This box has 7 objects. So we will put a tick here. Third one is, these are sharpener. So let's count together with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sharpener. Not 7. This box has 6 sharpener, not 7. So, no tick here. Dear students, now look at the middle part. Match the number with the correct objects. We have the number 7 and 8. Let's find the things that are 7. Count the first picture. Cups. So, we match this cup with number 7. So we match these cups with number 7. Next one is strawberries. How many strawberries are there? 8. So match these strawberries with number 8. Third one is candies. 8. Which candies are there? So match the number. So match the number with 8. So match the candies with number 8. Last one is candle. 7 candles. So match these candles with number 7. Now look the last activity, number 3. Trace the number 7 and 8. We will trace the number 7 and 8. Use your finger in the air first. Let's draw the number 7 across and down. Now trace it. Good. Now trace it in your book. Now let's draw the number 8. Make a loop and another loop. Well done. Let's make it 8. Dear students, amazing. Today you counted, matched and traced the number 7 and 8. You all do very amazing.